Hello, I'm Martin Smith and this is your UFX Markets Week in Review. Today we'll discuss some of the major financial events of the past week and how they impacted the currency and commodity markets. The US dollar fell against the euro, ending a 3-week high versus the European currency, as employment data showed the US unemployment rate for December was higher than been forecast. Minutes from the Federal Reserve's last meeting, during which board members suggested that they might end the central bank's $85 billion in monthly bond purchases, further boosted the euro. The euro was last trading at 130.67, an increase of 0.15%. The Japanese yen fell for an 8th straight week, the currency's longest losing streak in 24 years, following newly elected Prime Minister's reiteration of his pledge to weaken the yen and boost inflation. The yen was last trading at 88.14, an increase of 1.05%. In commodities, oil capped its biggest weekly advance in 3 months. Prices increased by 17 cents. After the Labour Department announced that payrolls rose by 155,000 workers last December, exceeding some economists' expectations. Oil was last trading at 93.09, an increase of 0.18%. Gold, meanwhile, capped its longest series of weekly losses since 2004 after the Federal Reserve suggested that bond buying operations may end in the middle of 2013. Gold was last trading at $1,655.56 an ounce, a decrease of 0.49%. In other market news, US stocks rallied last week after lawmakers reached a deal regarding the fiscal cliff, avoiding spending cuts and tax increases. Benchmark indexes recorded their biggest gains in 13 months, and Standard & Poor's 500 climbed by 4.6%, its highest level since December 2007, and the Dow Industrial Average adding 3.8%. Well, that's all we have time for today. I hope you've enjoyed this week's review and you'll join us next week. Until then, be sure to visit us at ufxmarkets.com for all of your online trading needs. For UFX Markets, I'm Martin Smith. Good luck and happy trading.